Hello, this is Kenji, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today, we're going to do Akashic Records. One of your popular themes for this life, your Akashic Records. Okay, so let's come into the now moment. Let's focus, ground, create sacred space, bring awareness to the breath, breathing in and out. I am here, I am now, I am. And I am divine creator manifested in form, and so it is. Now, you're going to release your physical body, the world as you know it, people, places, and things. Let go of everything, including your to-do list. Come into this now moment, breathing in and breathing out, relaxing the body. We're going to move away from the lower dimensions. We're going to move through a golden arc of light into the quantum, into the oneness, into unified consciousness. We're moving into the higher dimensions, past the fifth dimension, past the sixth dimension, past the seventh dimension. We're going to move into the higher dimensions with your main guide, your mentor, spiritually speaking. And with your guide, you're going to move into that vibration of where you can tune into your personal Akashic records. Now, symbolically, you can clairvoyantly know or see or feel or sense one of several symbologies that indicate that you are in your records. So it's often called the Hall of Records. You can envision this as a big quantum library. You can visualize it as moving into a world of crystals and precious stones. You can see this as a space that contains many scrolls, ancient scrolls with writings and symbols on them. You can also see this as a giant computer system with many programs and files of which you can access. So whatever is feeling most comfortable for you, you'll be drawn to one of these symbologies, and you're going to go into your records and to pull out information that is relating to your next step or this earth incarnation, your next step, what you need to realize, what you need to remember, what you need to re-know, what you need to reclaim. Your records contain all of your life experiences that relate to this earth incarnation. Relates to the knowledge that you have earned through all of your many sojourns, not only on Earth, but in other systems, planets, star systems, galaxies, universes. It contains your starseed origins, which may be very important for you now. Your many gifts, your skills, your talents. So you're going to access and pull out and bring back with you now as we gently come back to the body from the higher dimensions, back to the room, back to your physical body. As if you are bringing back with you the energy of your records, coming back, being in present time with your body. Take a deep breath. Now, you can put this energy in your aura or in your crown chakra for download in divine right timing. So remember, this awareness relates to your next step in your incarnation. What you need to remember and re-know and re-recognize and reclaim. So coming back to your body now, awake, alert, alive, fully present, ground with the new earth. So allow, in divine right timing, the awareness of this particular inner journey to your records. Practice going to your records every day, pulling out relevant information for your life and for others that are in your life. So until next time, thank you very much for tuning in. Kenji is going to tune out now. Have a very blessed day.